Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make a fresh iCloud or local backup so nothing is lost. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top. You will tap Sign Out and enter your Apple ID password to disable Find My iPhone. This is required. Make sure to select which local data, contacts, calendars, Safari you want to keep on the device before signing out. Do this now so the device is clean and ready for the new Apple ID sign-in. Next, sign in or create the Apple ID you want to use. If you need a new account, tap Create Apple ID in Settings and follow prompts. Enter email, password, birthday, then verify the emailed code. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for security. After signing in, go through iCloud settings and toggle which apps sync, messages, photos, backups, and add payment methods if you plan to buy apps or subscriptions. Doing this now ensures iCloud and App Store are linked correctly. Finish by signing into App Store, iMessage, FaceTime, and Apple Pay so all services use your new Apple ID. Once signed in, confirm iCloud sync completes and re-download any purchased apps or media tied to the old ID. Some purchases may remain linked to the previous account. Finally, review subscriptions and payment info to avoid interruptions. If you cannot sign out because Find My is active or you forgot the password, make sure to reset the password or contact Apple support for account recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.